We start with the given rational expression and simplify each inner denominator first. Call the first inner denominator d1. Use a minus b as the common denominator. Now expand the square in the numerator. Combining like terms gives the simplified first denominator. Now do the same for the second inner denominator. The common denominator here is a plus b. Expand the square, keeping the minus sign in front of ab. After combining like terms, the second denominator is simplified. Now simplify the first large fraction. Dividing by d1 means multiplying by its reciprocal. Factor the sum of cubes using the standard identity. We may cancel this factor only while remembering it cannot be 0. So the first large fraction becomes this product. Next, simplify the second large fraction. Again, division by a fraction becomes multiplication by the reciprocal. Factor the difference of cubes carefully. This cancelled factor also creates a domain restriction that must remain. So the second large fraction becomes the same product. The original expression subtracts the second part from the first. Substitute the simplified forms of both fractions. These products are identical, just written in a different order. Therefore, the simplified value of the expression is 0. The original small denominators cannot be 0, even after simplifying. The large denominators also cannot be 0. Forgetting these restrictions is the common mistake.